Here's Whiteboard widget messaging app. So basically to send a message, here's just a message. Tap messages in the top right, and then here you can just draw something. So you can select different type of the pen. So it's like a drawing board. You can select eraser and erase what you have drawn. You can select different colors. You can select different backgrounds. So for example, I can just send my picture here. I can select some, I don't know, some stickers and all of that, emojis. And then also I can just type hello or anything else I would like to type. And then I just need to tap where I want it. Then I can just draw stuff. So it's like anyways, and then then I just tap next, and then here I need to select friends to who I want to send this message. Also I can just send anonymously, and then I just tap send, and basically there you have it, it will be sent. But of course you need to have friends. So to add friends, just tap in top left, so 3 dots, invite friends, and then just invite friends with your specific code. And that's basically it. So I think you can search people, you can find you can add contacts from your iPhone. So find nearby, maybe there are some people in your area, but also you can just search by username and add a friend here. So something like that. Then you can just send friend request. So you can invite people, and then you can just send friend requests. And then the notes that the messages you send will be available for these friends.